Welcome to the PitPanAF website navigation tutorial. Quickly, let's look at the Mail Center, where you can choose to log in or register for an email account. Additionally, you can look at the committee, where we have our mission and constitution, as well as looking at individual committee members. For example, you can choose on President Nelsa Kahari, and where you can look at his different educational backgrounds and a brief biography of him. If you look immediately to the left, we have a side menu, to which you can choose the other different committee members, such as Martins, the Vice President of External Affairs. You can also look at past members, also the mission and constitution, as well as contact PanAF or the President. Next, we can head to the Media Center with an introduction by our VP of Internal Affairs, Marguerite. Additionally, we can look at photos by clicking on the PanAF photo album. Here we can look at all the different photos and subcategories as albums. To go back, we can click on Pan-African Gpsu. Additionally, we can look at video. For example, we can look at Nelsa Kahari giving a speech. You can control the volume by looking over at the YouTube control panel, as well as the location and point of the viewing. We also have archives of Flickr photo and YouTube. You can also email us or go back to the home site of the Media Center. Next, we have our WordPress, where we keep our survey and where we keep our weblogs, which are simply just blogs in the form of updating regarding various different activities of Pan-Africanism, news. We can also look at notes from the President, welcome to the Pan-African Gpsu blogs, archives. Furthermore, you can log in to register, where you can create your own account, so that way you can upload and contribute to the WordPress web blogs. It's as simple as typing in your name and email address, in which a password will then be emailed to you. And additionally, we can register and log in by using the main menu commands. Next, we want to look at events, where we can look at calendar events, where we have our Gpsu calendar set up in a nice monthly fashion. Here you can click on all of the different options available to you and read the details regarding their event information. To close it, simply scroll down and click the close button. We can also log in, so that way you can upload and add events of your own, and as well register for an account, so that way you can do so. You can also do so from the main events menu. By doing so, simply follow the information provided and agree. Submit your username, password, email address, and other details, and an account will be created for you. You can also view events in a listed format for the month. Scroll down to simply look at all the different events available for that given month, and scroll to the right to choose the next. For looking at our newsletter, we can look at Afrodemia. You can also choose to subscribe or unsubscribe from the newsletter, which is mailed out approximately every 2 weeks. Simply add in your email address to subscribe, or click the unsubscribe button. Once you have entered so, click the Submit Your Information button. You can also view archives of Afrodemia. Next, we have our Black connection, where we have our chat room, which allows users to interface. Additionally, we have our discussion forum, to which we can interact and post different topics and have debates and whatnot between members of the Pan-African. To do so, we recommend that you log in with your username as well as your password. Choose to log in. You can also choose to log me in automatically on each visit. And in doing so, that will allow you to post, read, and send messages amongst other users, whether private or public. And in doing so, you can post a new topic or add to various different topics already under play. To register, simply go to the Black Connect discussion forum and register. Follow the registration guidelines, agree to the terms, and simply enter your username, your email address, confirm your email address, and of course enter into the confirmation code. Submit it, and you will be then registered and allowed to interact. We also have the social networking sites as well as additional student organizations, both PIT and national. You can also contact us, the president specifically, general feedback, or website specific questions. To go back to the main page, simply click anywhere on the logo image. From there you will come up with the main page to which you log on immediately when you type in www.pitpanaf.org. Here you can see what's coming soon, where we advertise all of the upcoming events. You can additionally see what's hot now to see all of the latest things that have been published and posted to the website. This concludes the tutorial for the Pan-African Gpsu website. Please enjoy. And any questions, please email webmaster@pitpanaf.org.